Skiing the big mountain here in Red River. His first time skiing. February 22nd, 2009. Pretty cold.
Come on. This way, come on. This way. Okay.
He hasn't fallen once, not even on the ski lift. Great job. He's done an awesome job. I'm gonna get my skis out here. Oh, he busted. What happened?
Oh, he just fell.
You can get up. Uncross your skis, buddy. Uncross. There you go. Get your pole. Go, Evan. Ooh, it's windy. Go. There you go, Evan. There you go. Good job, Evan. Here we can go back again. Uh-oh. Use your poles, Evan.
Oh, that's okay. Don't cross it.
Oops, I guess I should point it towards him.
Get up. Get up. There you go. Go. Go to that side. Okay, turn around. Turn around now. There you go. Turn. Don't get him stuck. Don't get him together. Go.
Don't cross him.
Together. Don't get him together.
Evan, don't cross him. Baby. Lila, don't cross him. Baby.
Come on.
Go, buddy. You can do it. Good job, Evan. Pizza. Uh-oh.
Get up. Get up. There you go. Whoa.
Oh. There you go. You almost got it. Good job.
There you go, the pole. The snowmobile. Here. Okay, don't cross them. Turn, pizza. Okay.
Don't cross your skis, baby. Keep your legs together. Don't cross your skis, Evan.
Like this. Together.
There you go.
Let's go. Don't do that.
Baby, don't cross them.
Don't.
Evan, fall down. He was going backwards. Hi, Evan. Evan.
Hey, yeah, you do it.
Okay.